Hi, welcome to this quick video on how to embed a YouTube video into Blackboard. Now, on the surface, this might look a little bit tricky, but it's actually very easy, and I'll show you the steps you need to follow right now. There are also the same steps for embedding other content, say like a presentation from SlideShare into Blackboard. It's exactly the same process. So the first thing you need is you need a video that you want to embed. So let's just tab over to YouTube here. And here's a video on creativity I found that I think would be good to complement a lesson in Blackboard. So the first thing you want to do is scroll down and click on this share button here. So we click on share, and then what you want is what's called the embed code. So click on that, and this gives you the embed code that you're then going to take over to Blackboard. So generally I like to make sure most of these options are unchecked. Also make sure the video file size is about right. Anything around this sort of 800 or 900 times 400 or 500 is about the right size for Blackboard, so that's looking perfect. So I have this embed code here, so I'm just going to copy that, and now I swap over to Blackboard. Let's go into this folder here, where you can see there's already a bunch of content embedded in here. So we're going to add another video. The way we do that is we click on build content, then on item, not any of the other ones. We want to create a new item. We give it a heading, so great YouTube video, and then we go into this text box here, and first you just want to give it an introduction. This gets around one of the bugs in Blackboard. You want to make sure there's some text in this box as well as just the video. So I recommend you watch this great video. You can write anything you want there. Alright, then the important thing is we want to go over to the HTML version of this editor. See this button here, HTML code view. Let's click on that. Alright, we get a pop-up box here. We can see the text that we entered, and then we want to paste the embed code just between these two P's. So paste. Alright, there we go. We've got that code in there. We'll press update, and we can see in the text box here that that video is taken, and once we submit it, we'll be able to see it live on Blackboard. So let's do that. We press submit. And now scroll down to the bottom. Yep, there we go. There's our video already in Blackboard. And when the students log in and go into this folder, this is exactly how they'll see it. So as I said, this is the same process for bringing other content in. A good example is SlideShare. I like to use those presentations as well. So let's just really quickly go through the process with a SlideShare presentation. So back over here, SlideShare. Let's again search for creative thinking. All right. That's actually a presentation I already have in that subject, so let's just have a look at this one. All right, I'm sure that'll be great. So what we want to do is grab this embed code again. So that's what you're looking for, the embed code. Click on that. All right. Let's just have a look. So we'll take away without related content. We'll go a larger size. We'll copy this code. Now I can actually see one little issue with this code that I'll show you as we embed it into Blackboard. So up the top, add an item, slide, share, presentation, there we go. Another. Open up the HTML editor. There we go. And we'll paste the code in. All right, what I've seen is a problem with this code that we have here is that it is referring to the HTTP version of SlideShare, which is the unsecure version of SlideShare, whereas Blackboard is an HTTPS site, meaning it's a secure version of the site. If I just drop this down, we can't see it in any of the address bars, but it is. So what I'm going to do to try and circumvent a problem is put in an S there. Oh, and we've got an S there. That's good already. Any other HTTPSs around? No, we should be pretty good. So that goes in there. Then we press submit. Scroll down to the bottom. And there we go. So the presentation is embedded in here as well, so the students can flick through without having to head off to SlideShare itself. So there you go, that's the process. It's really simple. Once you find a video on YouTube or on Vimeo and a presentation on somewhere on SlideShare, if you can find the embed code, you can then bring it into Blackboard and show it here within the Blackboard shell, keeping everything in one spot. So hope that was useful and clear. Thanks a lot.